Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 29 of Upskilling myself, and today I solved three DSA problems, and I revised some key basics of AWS and also practice some of the services. So let's see the DSA problems. So the first problem was reverse linked list. It was a easy level problem. So what we have to do was we have to just reverse the linked list. Okay. So we have been given a head and we have to output a linked list. It's reversed. Okay. So we can either do it using two ways. One is the recursion or the another one is the iterative way. So the iterative way is a bit easy. The recursion is a little bit tricky for some beginners. So first of all, we set three pointers. One is the prev, current, and forward. Prev will be on the null, current will be on the first, that is head, and forward will determine from the current. Current of next will be the forward. Okay, then while current is not equal to null pointer, while current is still here only till the tail, we set the forward as the next of current, then current next is the previous, and the previous is assigned as current, and then the current is now forward. Okay, so as this goes on, when we reach over here on the tail and we return current, the next of the current would be 4, which is the prev, and so on and so forth. So in this manner, we get this reverse linked list. Okay. So the same problem was copy list with a random pointer. So we have been given a list. Let's say this is the linked list over here. Let's consider 4 elements: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each of them have a next pointer. This is pointing to null, and each of them have a random pointer. So the random pointer can be pointing to like any node. Okay. So we have to copy the complete linked list, the complete pointers, and the complete random as well. So what to do is we solve using two passes. The first pass will be setting the nodes into the unordered map, and the second pass would be assigning the pointers. Okay. So while we initialize temp over here on the head, and temp will traverse the whole linked list. While there is temp, we will add the nodes assigned to the particular temp in the unordered map. Right. There you go. And after that we set temp to head again over here, and then while temp traverse we will set the pointers and the random pointer accordingly. So if you see, new nodes of temp of next is equals to the temp of next of the hash map, right? So we assign it properly, and then we increment the temp, and then we return the head of the unordered map that we have created. Okay. The final problem was valid Sudoku. So to solve it, what we can do is we have been given a Sudoku and we have to check whether it's valid or not. So valid Sudoku is that in a row there are numbers from 0 to 9. None of the numbers should repeat. Same for the column and same for the boxes over here. You see the boxes? Here are 9 cells and it should not repeat as well. Okay. So to solve it, we create another set of rows, columns, and boxes array where we will store the arrays of these rows and the columns over here, right? Then we traverse every element, then we see the num, what is the num, then if the num is dot, which is it's empty, then we continue. Then we get the box index using I by 3 into 3, as in a row there are 3 columns, right? So we multiply by 3 plus j by 3. Okay. Then if the element is there in the rows or the columns or the boxes, then we return false, else we insert in all of this, and then after the loop exits we return true. Then for the development part, I did AWS revision and practicals, and I did some YouTube stuff, and I did the revision of all the DSA problems that I solved till now. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on day 30.